all these fruits, we should put the small pieces into the glass bowl.
Start.
Step 5. Now pour the honey over the fruit mix in the glass bowl. Step 6. Now mix the fruits and honey with a spoon.
Start.
Finally, now put the fruit salad in a bowl. Then serve the fruit salad to your family.
Hi friends, today we are going to do sandwich. Ingredients needed: 2 slices of bread, a slice of cheese, and a tomato. We can also add onions. A very important step: we should always wash tomato and knife. Ask your mom to wash the knife. Don't play with knife and be safe. First step: cut carefully the tomato. First take off this one. Here, I took off. Now we can cut the tomato. Friends, you could see that mom will cut it as small slice, but for sandwich we should cut it as round. Like this. Like this we should cut it. Now we can take this piece out, or you can put it in the sandwich. Now I took the plating plate. Put the bread. And keep slice. The tomato is big, so I am keeping small slice low. We should take this cheese. Take it slowly because it's melting now. Now you can see a cover. Pin it up. Put it on the tomato slice. I now move this. Now cover the cheese. You can cut the slice of tomato if the place is small. Then keep the slice of bread. Here, can you see the layers? A sandwich is ready. I'm going to eat this. Yummy.
My name is Sadhana Shri. I am studying in 4C. I am going to cook Fireless cooking. I am going to cook a strawberry milkshake. Yes, the ingredients are cream, then strawberry and milk. I am going to pour milk in the jar. Now I am going to put 3 strawberries in the jar. Yes. Now I am going to add the cream. Yes. 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 Yummy. I'm going to take a sugar and pour it in it. Wow, yummy. Thank you. It's very yummy.